Hey guys, it's Justin, and on today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Rainbow High Mini Accessory Studios blind bags. So there's two different versions that they have. The ones that are handbag and shoes. I didn't get any of the shoes, but I chose two of the handbag boxes. They come in all the rainbow colors. So I just picked these because I like these colors. Light blue and a little bit darker blue, but your orange, your pink, your yellow, the green, the whole rainbow is there. Not sure if it correlates to what's inside color-wise, but we'll see. So basically, to even start out this review, let's talk about cost. So online, Walmart and Target are showing them as $9.99. Now that in itself, to me, is a very steep price, because that's basically either half the cost of a dog or a third of the cost of the dog just for a handbag. So I think that's kind of steep. But I understand that it's a blind bag and it comes with some extra items, which we'll get into once we open it up. Also, even though online, mine did show $9.99. When I picked mine up in store at Walmart in my city, in Texas, it rang up $10.77. So, hey. But let's go ahead and get the unboxing. So, just kind of show you what they look like. They're kind of like the cardboard versions of the little cues that we sometimes get. And I don't know, I said versions, like I'm from Boston. I don't know. Sometimes my voice just does that. So we get a logo. We kind of get previews of what may be inside. Here is the product code, UPC. Let's go ahead and open this bad girl up. So there's really just a basic strip of plastic holding this together, and it's just a little superficial tab right here. That's all it is. It actually doesn't cover the whole box. That's that, and you should be able to take that off and save your box. So once you pull it off, you see some really cool stuff. So let's start with this. You get some really cool items as if you were a shopper. So it gives you a doll size receipt holder, and I believe this is a collector's guide. So we're gonna open our package. And we're just gonna hold that up. Again, that's the doll size receipt, which I think is really cool. I think I can scan that, so I'm gonna try that later. And then here's a little receipt holder, so I can get some little items for your purse. And this is your certificate of authenticity. So, that's cool. So, Rainbow High Fall 2002. And then you just pull it out. And before I get to my bag, I want to show you the collector's guide. This is really cool. So this is the shoes side. For me, I'm not really interested in the shoes because I have so many from collecting the dolls, and I have 2 of the wardrobes, so I'm overloaded with shoes. The bags can go for anyone, not just the Rainbow High dolls. So these are all the different bags that you can get, and they tell you who they're for. So let's go ahead and see. So one, we have a little dust bag, and if you collect high-end merchandise, high-end bags usually have these little dusters. So I think that's kind of cool. You can also repurpose this to hold Rainbow High accessories. So I think that is cool. So I think that's why we have the $10 price. So then the bag itself is wrapped in paper. And you just open it from the seal. And who did we get? I got a light blue snakeskin purse. I mean, it's cute. Is this worth $10? No. Is it worth $5? No. So we're paying for this duster bag and the little mini accessories. That's what I feel like we're really paying for. But anywho, so this bag that we got belongs to Gabriella. And that's her snakeskin bag. And I actually do have Gabriella, so that can actually go in addition to the outfit that I have. And I'm going to pull up a screen cap of Gabriella because I don't think she came with a bag. So that's great. So I guess maybe these colors are correlating because this is a light blue box and it was a light blue purse. So if my theory is right, I have a dark blue box, so that means maybe I can get the fanny pack or one of these other blue bags, possibly. So let's see. Open this up. I forgot to introduce. So I do have Daria Roseland right here. I do have her redressed in a Barbie Extra outfit. So the necklace, the top, and the cut-off black shorts. I like to always remix my dolls, repurpose the clothes. So there she is. She's our model, so let's model her with that really quickly. Put that on her hand. Okay. Got something cute for you. And even though this is like one strip of plastic, it is still giving me trouble. But I do want to take careful consideration when taking it off because I'm saving this box. So, more blue wrapping paper. So I'm thinking maybe it is correlating. So again, another blue duster. I'm thinking the colors are matching. Another set of the little accessories. And what am I kidding? I did get another blue item. So this is a blue satchel, which I think is actually really cute. Maybe this one is worth $5. But will I be buying more of these? Probably not, unless I'm trying to get something that matches in a different color. So, this is Skylar's Paris bucket bag. So if I were to want to try again, I would want to try for Stella's Croc Skin Clutch, or a little money bag, or Sunny's Circle handbag, or Amaya's brown tote. That is really cute. And then this black backpack. So maybe. So of the ones I got, they're all commons, and their commons are called stylish. And they have rares and ultra rares. And let's see. And of course, the ones I want are the ultra rares, of course. So I'll probably be buying more. Probably not. I may give it one or more tries, but for me, I mean, it's not that crucial to get more bags. And then when you compare the quality, I consider this a really basic bag. And interesting enough, Daria's original bag was made in this style, and I hate it. But I like this better because of the print. But this bucket bag is a little bit more fashionable and functional because you can really gather it. But I mean, for me, I don't know, Reply. Don't think that I'll be getting any more. Alright guys, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. And thank you for watching. Bye.